children, today we will discuss about 5th standard 7th chapter, the land of golden sand, Saudi Arabia. The exercise part we are going to discuss today. First main checkpoint, fill in the blanks. Question number 1, Saudi Arabia is located in the dash desert. Which desert, children? Saudi Arabia is located in the Arabian desert. Arabian desert. Second question, Alps and dash live in mountainous highlands. Hainas. Question number 3, dash is the chief natural resource found in Saudi Arabia. Petroleum. Petroleum is the chief natural resource found in Saudi Arabia. Dash is a busy seaport in Saudi Arabia. Jeddah. Jeddah is a busy seaport in Saudi Arabia. Main question A, choose the correct options. Question number 1, this desert is located in the continent of South America. Options are Sahara, Atacama, Kalahari. Which is the right option here? Atacama Desert. Next, it is a famous place of pilgrimage in Saudi Arabia. Jeddah, Mecca, Abha. Which is the right option here? Mecca. Third question, this latitude passes through the center of Saudi Arabia. Options are Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle. Which is the right option here? Tropic of Cancer. Fourth question, it is known as the liquid gold. Options, oil, gold, copper. Which is the right option here? Oil is the liquid gold. Next, main question B, match the columns. Column A, column B. First, I will read column A. Al-Taif, nomads, sand dunes, oil, Thar desert. Sand mounds, hill station, Bedouins, Asia, liquid gold. First question, Al-Taif. Where we have to match? Al-Taif is a famous hill station in Saudi Arabia. Next, nomads. Nomads means we have to match Bedouins. Sand dunes. Where we have to match sand mounds. Oil, liquid gold. Thar desert lies in Asia. Next, given word. Main question C, give one word answers. First question, it is known as the ship of the desert. Camel is known as the ship of the desert. Second question, this desert lies in South America. Which desert lies in South America, children? Atacama Desert lies in South America. Third question, it is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Riyadh. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Question number 4. People of Saudi Arabia speak this language. Which language, children? Arabic. 5th question. It is a plant that grows in Saudi Arabia. What type of vegetation or what type of plants will grow or we can found in Saudi Arabia? Cactus. Why? Because in all the desert or most of the deserts there is a less rainfall or little rainfall. Because of this reason, like cacti, babool, dates, these type of trees or plants. Main question D, fill in the blanks. First question, Saudi Arabia occupies nearly dash percent of the Arabian Peninsula. 3/4. Second question, Saudi Arabia lies between the dash and the Red Sea. Persian Gulf. Third question, deserts receive little or no rainfall. Dash is the busiest seaport of the country, Jeddah. Are you remember? Jeddah is the capital. Jeddah is the important city in Saudi Arabia. Next, 5th question. The traditional dress for men is a long white cotton gown called what we have to call? The traditional dress for men is a long white cotton gown called, what is that, children? Are you remember? Thawb. Next. Main question E. Answer these questions. Question number 1. The body features of the camel are adapted to desert conditions. How children? Let's see. Answer. The humps store fat which helps it to survive without food and water for many days. It has 2 rows of long eyelashes to protect from sand and the sun. Its paddy feet help in easy movement on the sand. Second question. Vegetation in Saudi Arabia is scarce and scattered wide. Means there is a less vegetation in desert area. Why? Because we already know that, as we know that most of the deserts or in most of the desert or most of the desert or in all the deserts there is a less rainfall or little rainfall. Because of the less rainfall or little rainfall, there is a scanty vegetation or less vegetation. Vegetation in Saudi Arabia is scarce and scattered because it receives very little rainfall and the soil here is not fertile. Because of the little rainfall or because of the less rainfall, soil is not fertile. How did the life of the people of Saudi Arabia change after the discovery of petroleum? The discovery of petroleum has changed the life of the people of Saudi Arabia. It has led to the development of construction, industries and petroleum refineries, fertilizers, steel and chemical industries have been established. Modern cities with skyscrapers, schools, healthcare centers have been developed. Fourth question, who are Bedouins or Bedouins? Give a brief description of their lifestyle, occupation, dress and the language they speak. Nomadic tribes found in Saudi Arabia are known as Bedouins. They speak Arabic. They travel in caravans across the desert and camp near an oasis. They usually engage in nomadic herding. The men wear long white cotton gown and a headgear. Women wear a gown and keep their faces covered with a veil. Question number 5. What are the traditional dresses worn by men and women in Saudi Arabia? In Saudi Arabia, the traditional dress for men is long white cotton gown called the thawb and a headgear called ghutra. Women wear a gown called abhaya and cover their faces with veil. Think and answer. Saudi Arabia is known as the land of liquid gold. Why? Why? Because Saudi Arabia is known as the land of liquid gold. Saudi Arabia is known as the land of liquid gold because 1/5 of the total petroleum deposits of the world are in Saudi Arabia and account for 40% of the country's income. 40% of the country's income is the world are in Saudi Arabia and account for 40% of the country's income. Saudi Arabia is the largest exporter of oil, petroleum, changed the lives of the people of Saudi Arabia. Thank you, children. I will show once again.